completely distinct from the Uttarakhand rules. Uttarakhand rules provided for a minimum eligibility of 2 years DLED regular. Where are you reading here? Page 56, bottom. Yes. Page 56, bottom 6 qualifications. Yes. Now, your leadership will read these rules. These are relating to recruitment in West Bengal. Right. Because state-wise the rules are different. Uttarakhand has a different set of rules. West Bengal has a different set of rules under the RTE. Right. So qualifications here provide for, I'm reading sub-rule 2. Candidates shall possess the minimum educational qualifications specified by NCTE and the notifications relating to eligibility of candidates issued by Ministry of Human Resource Department, Department of School Education and Literacy, Government of India, hereinafter MHRD from time to time, read with relaxed qualifications issued by the Ministry from time to time and passed with DLED. Now, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to the last slide which says relaxed qualifications issued by the Ministry from time to time. Now, these relaxed qualifications were issued by the MHRD, and your leadership will find that order at page 63. Yes. Now, MHRD has announced these relaxed qualifications, and this is only with respect to in-service. This is not with respect to direct recruitment. With regard to in-service, your leadership, after the RTE enactment, what had happened was that a larger number of teachers were required under the PTR ratio, which is the parent-teacher, the pupil-teacher ratio, where 1:45 was required. They did not have sufficient persons who were qualified with TET and other qualifications. So, as a one-time measure, in-service persons were allowed to take this course online, complete the training of 6 months. So, the online course was 18 months. In addition, there was a 6-month training, and in total, the course went to 2 years. Already on the job. They were already on job. What is your? I'm one of those. Already in job. Already in job. I have completed this course. This course was floated. They made sure that all of us registered for it. We went through the entire process of 2 years with the 18 months plus the 6 months. The only thing is that it is not called a 2-year course. It is called 18 months plus 6 months. Now, what must be read in Justice Government? You are not looking at confirmation of this job. You are looking at appointment as a direct entry into the advertisement issued by the that is right, because they are recruiting afresh. They are recruiting afresh, but how the qualification? Because this is the qualification. I'm working in a private school. Yes. In a private school, I have acquired this qualification, which was a specific measure taken up by Ministry of HR. Purpose. It is for the purpose to train in service elementary. Yes, because when I was appointed prior to the RTE, at that point of time, these qualifications didn't exist. But they didn't exist. If you continue on that job and get any kind of training or period of service, it's different. You're looking at a fresh appointment by relying on this. No, because I am now shifting from my private job to a government job. I'm not trying. You have to apply. Exactly. You can't say most organizations will apply. No, therefore, because I am qualified now, what is being put against me is that you're not qualified. The terms of the advertisement do not entitle you. It is the terms of the advertisement entitle me. That's why I was reading the advertisement. Yes. I was reading the rule. The rule says that it has to be what the NCTE provides, and that has to be read in conjunction with what MHRD said. In this specific case, in West Bengal, it was relaxed, and my rule does not prohibit me from being a person in consideration. And page 88, let's go back to the advertisement. If I can go back to the advertisement. See, the whole mode and tenor of what you've just read only indicates that 3rd August 17, that as far as we can make up, it relates to untrained in-service elementary teachers, which is again government and private workers. Yes. Right? And this is in the light of the amendment to the RTE Act. So this is, I get advantage of us trying to understand. This is for my advantage, and I have been we are all the persons who were registered under this very notification. I completed the entire NIOS course, all of us, 2,000 of us. We registered online, and I show those registrations to your leadership, and your leadership will come to page 66. Clause 14. Yes. It says teachers who do not fulfill the minimum eligibility requirement for taking admission in DLED program, that is 50% in class 12, will have to join NIOS and reappear for class 12 to achieve the minimum qualification. They would, however, be eligible for provisional admission to DLED program NIOS, subject to them applying 50% marks in class 12 before completing DLED program of NIOS. This is to facilitate such teachers to pursue the programs concurrently. Now, in view of the great paucity and in view of the fact that I'm already in service, these relaxations are deliberately made to meet the 1:45 PTR ratio. Now, I am told that even if you don't Now,
strength of this, you are saying once I've attained the qualification in terms of the
then I can't be ousted from this advertisement. That